It is February 2nd, 2026. We're trying something new, and I don't know what the end result will be, nor do I have any way of measuring it, but it makes sense. We're taking fresh compost, small batch, includes live worms, and we're putting it in the ground, just like that. And then we're going to take leaves, dry leaves, and cover it. What we want to do is introduce biology in different parts of our farm. Our farm is a natural farm, no till, for 25 years, but I don't have access to animals like sheep to come in and introduce fresh manure and urine to help the land further along. So I'm doing maybe the next best thing is to deposit small quantities of compost. If anybody has any opinions, ideas, please let me know.